Welcome. Today we are going to discuss about master's creation in TallyPrime. Here it is company, Ludhiana branch of Indian Accountants. Masters under gateway of Tally, under gateway of Tally. Create masters. Here group, for example, accounting masters. If we want to create like this, this is group creation window. This is main window of creation. Okay. Henceforth, no secondary word is used along with the title bar. That is name. For example, if you want to create a motor vehicle group in fixed assets or computer and parts, computer and accessories under fixed assets, we will discuss about this group behaves like a subledger. If you want to, yes, just you will have to pass journal entry only. Net debit credit balance for the reporting. If you want to press yes, then it will be set of both the amount debit and credit. Okay, the balance amount only. Used for calculations like taxes, discounts, anything else, then you may try it. Yes. Otherwise, last the part is method to allocate when used in purchase invoice. Do you want to uh, allocate by value, appropriate by value? Uh, yes, then appropriate by value. Okay, or by quantity, whatever, by value. And if I press no, here configuration by language areas name, so more configuration yes. Here something, there is nothing to worry. This one. And another group for indirect incomes like other non-operating income, non-operating income in indirect incomes. Yeah, same. We have like subledger, net credit, debit, method to allocate in purchase invoice that is not required, not applicable, and yes. And for example, uh, finance cost, finance cost or finance charges under indirect expense, same thing. Okay. Now, yes. This was about the creation of groups. Now, creation of ledgers. For examples, that we want to create accounting ledgers for sales. This is not sale of items. This is sale ledger in financial accountancy actually. That is bookkeeping purpose. Here, for example, sale of computers under sales account. Sales account is a group defined by Tally actually. Uh, do you want invoice rounding? Invoice rounding will help in another way. It will round up the invoice actually. Okay. Further, sale of computers not applicable and press yes. This was sale of computers. For example, non-operating incomes like interest income, non-operating income. Okay, not control A. Save and exit. Now expense, for example, bank interest that is finance cost, not applicable. Control A, bank charges under finance cost, not applicable. Yes. This was about creation of ledgers. Now currency, if you want to create any other company, sorry, currency, you may create here currency alteration, that is beside dollar. If you want to use dollar, here dollar. Okay, for example USD. Okay, other masters, do we have any? No. Decimal places, so amount of millions, no. Yes. Suffix symbol, no. A space between symbol, yes. Word representing amount after decimal, that is paise, not cent. Decimal 2. Voucher type, yes, I want to create another voucher like MFG, manufacturing journal, that is MFG journal. This is for manufacturing journal, basically is used to get it, what say, to generate finished goods by using raw material goods. The purpose will be solved through manufacturing journal. Select of type, that is stock journal, basically the stock journal. Types of voucher, yes. Activity enable, now, yes. Automatic return number, this is all should be used as a manufacturing journal, yes. And track additional cost for purchases, obviously, yes. Okay, this is separate feature WhatsApp voucher after saving. Okay, now I will save it. This is a manufacturing journal. Now another, like for example cash receipts, under receipt. Okay, now click on Control A. Now I want to create a sales voucher, like computer sales voucher, computer sales. This is a voucher under sales voucher. Okay, now this is abbreviation automatic return original invoice number, yes. Sit under additional numbering. Additional numbering is what I'm just showing you, yes. Starting number 1 and width of numeric part, that is, for example, 4 means 10,000 up to, sorry, 1,000, that is 9,999 actually. Prefill with 0, no. And if you want to yes, then yes. Okay, now 11 December, because we have created company along with 11 December book date, that's why it is taken here. The starting number, only first of the month will be allowed. Okay, here what will we doing here, 1st December actually here. Okay, starting number 1, if you want to change periodicity by daily, then daily basis it will be started with 1. otherwise monthly, never weekly, yearly. I will prefer yearly. Okay, this is starting number. Now applicable with prefix. What is, if I write here 11 December, will it applicable? No. Okay, I will write here 1 December purchase. Particular prefix, for example, IA, Indian. Now this is 25, 26 purchase 26. Okay, this is my prefix. And if I use uh, suffix, suffix as VSP, this is VSP. Okay, now return original invoice on invoice voucher and behavior. Yes, use effective date for voucher. All these are having different usage. Okay, now printing after saving no means no. Uh, if you want to print after saving, then yes, or otherwise no. Use POS, use for POS invoicing, yes. Message to print, if no, then no. Default title to print, taxable invoice. Not applicable default bank, okay. Default jurisdiction, Ludhiana. Set alter declaration, if you press yes, it has, okay. Name of class, it will be later discussed. Now we have created water type like group, accounting group. Here is stock group, the stock category, the stock item, unit go down. Further, we are not required because we do not maintain any inventory. Though we have selected not to maintain inventory here, F11, F11, here we have selected no. Why? I will press no. Okay. Now, if we create, there is no stock master here. And even though we do not have the statutory details, we will create when we will be using all these features. Okay. Now alter the same things which we have created may be altered from master alter options. Now charts of accounts, it will show you the entire how many groups are there. There are 31 groups, basically 28 groups were there, but we have created some groups like non-operating incomes, finance cost, computer and accessories, and the fixed assets. These three groups have been added by me. That is customized actually. Ledgers, how many ledgers have been opened? They are basically total 6 ledgers, but profit and loss and cash are the basic ledgers which have been provided by Tally itself. There basically we have created just four: bank charges, bank interest, interest income, and sale of computers. Okay, this was now voucher types. There are total 27 voucher types, but We have created cash receipts, computer sales, and MFG journal. These three have been added by me in my practice. Now currency, there is just dollar, one currency that it has been changed here. Okay. Now when we created creation arbitrary secondary, now rupees symbol should be there. Where is rupees, 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 rupees? Is there any currency symbol rupees on my keyboard? I'm just taking it here. Nothing. INR. I will select it. INR. That is paise. I will select the dollars rupee symbol uh, from chat GPT. I will be using to create rupee symbol. I will copy this and paste in Tally. Okay. Now everything is okay. Millions, yes. Now this one is charts of accounts where we can get, we have created no budget here, no scenarios further. We will discuss about all these which have been left according to situations. Okay. Now this is about master creations, master alterations, and showing the masters into a tally. Okay. Now what is here that if we want to create multiple uh, accounts, multiple groups, then what should we do? We have import options on as ribbon menu. Here masters, transactions, bank details, bank statement, manage, mapping templates, sample Excel file. We may select here sample Excel file, masters, click on masters. We all have this configuration onto my local PC, and Excel is opening here. So guys, this is about all you may configure. You may import ledger group, cost category, cost center, and nothing in accounting group. Okay, and if you want to create import uh, inventory masters, we will have to enable the inventory masters here. Here all inventory masters, all masters. If we select here all masters, it will entire. Now click OK. All masters, export. All masters means payroll masters, all will be exported. Here first, that is ledger. The second is group. Third is cost category, cost center, stock item, stock group, stock category, unit, godown location, employee, employee group, employee category, attendance type. All the voucher type has been uh, can you may import all the masters from Excel itself, because each field is already mapped. But if you want to customize this, you may customize for importing the masters. Okay. If you want to know how to import, then just ping me on my video, comment that you want to learn all these imports through Excel. I will make another video. Okay. This is all about masters creation. Thank you.